Good morning, YouTube. It's been very long since I've actually ridden the Big Z, and we've got a small renovation all done here. So that was one of the main reasons why I couldn't actually take the bike out, and I've finally decided to just go out. Today is a Sunday. I think today is a Sunday. Today is 20th February, and almost more than a month since I have taken out the Big Z. So just going out for a short spin and going to have a small ride, because it's been ages and I've actually forgotten about the Big Z ever since the AEROX has come. Not that I'm having any fun on the AEROX, but it is doing everything that it was intended to do. And the Big Z has actually, I don't find any purpose in taking out the Big Z every now and then. So let me hit the highway and get back to you. Just hit the highway, and it's you just can't compare this bike to anything else. The amount of fun that you can have on this bike is another level. So I'm just riding towards the Kolhapur side, because you have good roads as well as a bit of ghats, and I think I'll be catching up with the group who's already ahead. They've left early. But yeah, no rash riding, nothing, just doing my peaceful speeds, not over speeding as such. आराम से निकलते हैं, आराम से जाते हैं और आराम से आते हैं. Traffic on the highway, nothing new. It's always there. Riding has been a breeze till now. Nice, pleasant climate. Only problem is the wind, and kitna bhi kuch bhi karo, wind will find its way. This is the best climate to ride in. Early morning, cool, winter breeze. I mean, yeah, afternoons it's becoming very hot. The summers are coming in early, I guess, but early mornings is very pleasant. I should have left at least an hour ago, but then I got up very late, and maybe that's why I couldn't actually leave early. I had no plan to actually ride either today. Just impromptu got up. I saw messages on the group that guys have already left, and I thought, yeah, chalo, nikal lete hai. It's because anyway it's been ages since I had taken the bike out, and I don't want to leave the bike dormant like that, because then it'll start giving you issues. Because if a bike is not ridden, then it's obvious that there will be issues cropping up. Something or the other will start going bad. It's better to keep the moving parts moving always. So, wo hai. Look at this guy. That is broken down, or he is just parked. Fucker is just parked there and talking with someone on the median. There range is showing 63 kilometers and I have to go around 50 kilometers, I guess. I don't know if I should refuel right now or आते वक्त refill कर लूँ. There is a nice छोटू सा घाट right now जिस पे मज़ा आता है चलाने में. Long sweeping corners on this ghat, it's fun, but yeah, the quality of road is bad, and on top of that it is concrete, so it's very slippery, not very confidence inspiring. Earlier it was nice layer of tar, but I guess the government is just concretizing everything because it is easier and it's a long-term solution. Because tar keeps going off, but concrete has a longer life than tar. I'm just doing 140 and there's a huge difference in wind below the screen and above the screen. As I said, long sweeping corners, not very confidence inspiring though, and yeah, you have slow moving traffic just getting out of the corner. You just don't know what to do. And an inexperienced rider will just hit the front brake and he'll be washed out. That is what happens. Most crashes are because of surprise elements coming out of nowhere, and it is a shock that that you react, that is what causes the crash. Like when there is a dog that is crossing the road, people usually panic brake, but then you shouldn't panic brake. You should just hit the dog and then try to control your bike, because when you panic brake and then you hit, your vehicle just goes into the air, or because of the dog your vehicle is already braking and your suspension is compressed, and on top of that you are hitting an object in the front. You again just get washed off. So never panic brake. Always ride with your mind open. Look around in advance for things that might appear out of nowhere. I usually ride on the middle lane, or when there is a two lane I just try to be in the center of the road, because it gives me ample time to either move left or move right. So if there is something coming out of the median, then you have a chance that you might survive. So yeah, and always be geared up, and like wear your helmet, riding jacket, whatever you have, just wear it and ride. This is actually a very dangerous road. You have a lot of two-wheeler traffic, but then today being a Sunday, most of the factories are closed. Otherwise you have two-wheelers, literally Hero Honda Splendors and the 100cc commuter bikes riding bang in the center of the road, and they are triple seat without helmet and stuff like that. A lot of accidents happen on this road on normal days. It's a nightmare to ride in the mornings, especially on this road. Just before Kolhapur you have the MIDC, and after exiting Kolhapur also you have an MIDC. All this is also an industrial area, and it is literally a nightmare to ride on these roads because of the traffic, two-wheeler traffic that is there. They're all villages, but they have quite a lot of small industries around. And most small industries don't provide transport, so people use their own transport and they ride haywire. So this is the famous Hotel Goa West, and this road on the left wherein the Swift is coming out, and that road, that is the road most Maharashtrians take to go to Goa. It goes to Sawantwadi and then Amboli. So yeah, that is the famous Goa road, and this is the Tawandi Ghat. If I'm not wrong, yeah, it's Tawandi Ghat, just before Nipani, and the hotel is just after this ghat. Had a nice wobble. I think the Baleno guy would have shat in his pants looking at my bike wobble. The ghat is very steep. Just never should take this ghat with overconfidence, because the turns, they seem small, I mean they seem less, but then once you enter the corner you realize that the corner is not getting over only. We are at Amar Hotel right now. Let's see where we can fucking park the bike. Okay, should be safe. So yeah, quite a lot of bikers today at this place. It's a huge rush at this place, and nice lineup of bikes also. A lot of bullets, quite a lot of bullets actually. And yeah, this is our group with the Kawasaki's, the 2 Fireblades, and I think that's a 650. There's a CB1000 as well. Just switching off my cameras, picking up the stuff that I have to quickly pick. So yeah, let me have a quick breakfast and get back to you. See you guys, bye bye. So we just had breakfast and we are about to leave now. A good lineup of bikes today. We have got 2 Fireblades, a 650, a Z900, an 800, a CB1000, and an Interceptor or a Continental 650. This is what happens when you're in a group. You start ripping and that is why I majorly avoid riding in groups, because everyone wants to do their own speeds, and looking at one or the other, people start ripping. So my battery is about to die, so I guess that's it for now. I am just about to reach home and my battery is about to die, so let me go home and get back to doing things. I hope this vlog finds you all in good health, and until next time, stay safe, ride hard, ride safe, always wear a mask, always wear a helmet, and also one more thing, don't forget about the giveaway. If you like my content, do like, share and subscribe to my